princess, my anchor to the ground. I'm going to get my nails done for my shoot. I was going for this white and gold vibe, and then I also got a pedicure. Okay, people, here is my ASOS box for my maternity shoot, and I just want to show you what I got for the shoot. People close to me know that I'm an ASOS girl. ASOS haul is a lifesaver, and that's where I get most of my clothes from. Yeah, this is the main dress, right? This is some kind of long dress. You're going to see it. I really love it. And this one is actually not from here. I just got this from the mall yesterday. Yeah, so I'll try it on. It's actually going to be my first time trying it on. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, my shoes. Okay guys, so we're going to have breakfast now, have our photo shoot right after. I am already frustrated, I have to say, because when we take pictures, they just take the whole day. And I don't know, our patience, we already start with low patience, both of us. I mean, mine is usually lower than Lóri's, but like, we start with low patience and it runs out quite quickly because I don't know, taking pictures is just tiring. It's just like that. But I still like taking pictures. I am generally someone who likes taking pictures. So I'm excited. I can't wait to show you guys the behind the scenes and how we took the pictures and of course how they turn out. So bye bye. See you.
Making plans, holding hands, running wild for a while, yeah. Oh, yeah. So let's not stop here, baby. We've been lost here lately. Don't get caught here, baby, yeah. Oh, yeah. Love me, baby, 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 baby. Love me, baby, 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 baby. Love me, baby, 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 baby. Love me, baby, baby. Run away, run away, run away. Feeling pinned to the wall. You and I know can face it all. Oh yeah. With the wind in your hair, take control and take us anywhere. Oh yeah. So let's not stop here, baby. We've been lost here lately. Don't get caught here, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. Love me, baby, 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 baby. Love me, baby, 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 baby. Love me, baby, 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 baby.
should do sharing.
Hi guys, the shoot is about to start. I have my dress on. You're going to see how it looks. I'm about to get on set here, and you can see my photographer. See you.
Yeah, yeah. Oh boy, you make me feel like saying, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright. Tell me so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving, man, I'll be alright. Oh, baby, come talk to me. This fire, keep it burning. The other boys keep them talking. For your case, I don't mind. Don't let it blow mine every time. You and me, no be no man matter. All your exes think say we just better. You give me calling, yeah, I got you falling. It's not a thing we can handle. Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me, I feel it. Hope it's still went up in the air. I'ma show you my love now. I'm the only one for you, boy. You make what I call you.
Some facing
Like
right.
this.
That's what you can do. What you can also do after this is playing with your hair. Okay,
I should hold it.
yeah. First,
Like up.
yeah, like you're doing the up.
I should put it
Yes.
up.
Yes. But it's no. What I want to do, the picture when you are.
Not the pistols, I mean your attributes and the way your body move. Maybe an article, posing it up like I'm script. I'm loving the role you play. Can I call you baby boo?
Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me, I feel it. Hope it's still went up in the air. I'ma show you my love now. I'm the only one for you, boy. You make what I call you. Yeah, my heart just to call you.
Maybe it's kicking. Hey, Baba.
Yeah, my heart just to call you.
Guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. Who told you it's going to be easy? But I'm hungry. I have to get a snack right now. I have to go and get a snack. And so you can come with me though to get a snack. Let me show you. I'm getting right there. I'm getting a keto something since I'm on the diet. 11:40 p.m. So in 20 minutes it's tomorrow. You just can't imagine the stress. Oh my god. But of course we chose this option because Lóri wanted to be the one to take our maternity picture, and of course I also would prefer that he takes it. In the end, I think we have some good pictures. You guys will see. We did the shoot on the 19th of February. We started around 5 p.m. eventually, because like, you know, I had to do my makeup, prep the place. You saw the video. We also had to have lunch in between, have snacks. I'm excited, like it's a mixed feeling, right? Excited to see like how it turns out, you know, like in final product. To think that Lóri took the pictures and we took it in our own home, you know. I'm really excited, and I hope my little Baba, when he or she comes out, will love them as well. Thank you guys for watching the video. Bye.